In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to simplify this entire expression involving square root without the use of calculator. So the first thing we want to do is to get rid of all the decimals we are having here. So we're going to change each decimal here to fraction. So this implies here we're going to have 125 divided by 1000 cube root. So this change to fraction from this, and then times the same thing will happen here. This is square root this time, square root. So we're just going to have square root of 225 divided by 100. So we're having 100 here because we have just two decimals here now. So from here, the bottom you see here, we're just going to maintain the bottom for now. So we have 10,000 divided this division operation by, we'll still maintain what we have here, this 1000, that's the cube root of 1000 divided by 1728. Okay, so from here you can see that everything is now in whole numbers. So what we want to do now is to express each of them as their single values. So from here we have our line of division. The cube root of 125 is just gotten from this. So this is cube root 125 is written as 5 times 5 times 5 divided by 10. 1000, that's 10 times 10 times 10 for the first one. Then times 225 is written as 15 times 15 divided by 100, which is 10 times 10, and all of that. Then at the bottom we are still going to write this as 10, that's 100 times 100. Then we have our division operation here. And then we keep that cube root of 1000 coming from 10. That's 10 times 10 times 10 divided by 1728 will be given by 12 times 12 times 12. So we'll extend our line of division. Okay, so right about now you can see that we are getting set. So from here, this implies a line of division. We'll pick one of these for cube root. Cube root of 125 is 5. The cube root of 1000 is 10 times the square root of 225, which gives us 15, divided by the square root of 100 at the bottom. So that gives us 10. Then at the bottom we are having the square root of 10,000, which is 100, being divided by this. What we are having here is 10 again, divided by 12. We'll pick one of these to get 12. So at this point in time, we're going to do the cancellations. So 5 here is 1, 5 here is 2, 5 here is 3, and 5 goes into 10 twice. So that means at the next line will now have 1 times 3, which is 3, divided by 2 times 2, which gives us 4. Everything over, we have 100. Then this division operation here, we're going to change this to multiplication operation. So the first thing we need to do, first of all, just introduce a 1 at the bottom, and then change this to multiplication operation. And as we change division to multiplication operation, this fraction is flipped automatically. So 12 goes up and 10 comes down. So we are going to have 12 at the top divided by 10. So at this juncture, we'll now have that this implies 3 over 4 divided by 100 over 1 times 12 over 10. So you can see that at this point in time, you see that the 0 here cancels the 0 here. So what is just left at the bottom is more like 120. So 10 times 12 gives us 120, and from there we can rewrite this as 3 over 4 divided by 120. So divided by 120. If you like, you can say over 1. So again, at this point, we're just going to okay, so we need to get rid of this division operation again. So again, we apply the KCF, apply KCF. That's, you keep the first fraction, you change the division operation, and then we flip the fraction to the right side of the operation. What it means, we'll keep this, we'll change this division operation to multiplication, and then we'll flip this. And we can see that like this. So this implies 3 over 4. We change this to times. 1 goes up and 120 comes down. So we have 1 divided by 120. At this point, 3 here, 1. 3 here gives us 40. 1 times 1, that's 1 times 1 divided by 4 times 40, which is equal to 1 over 160.